Hello, so what exactly are higher order functions inside Java? So a function is said to be higher order function if it take another function as a parameter or it returns another function. For example, here I have a repeat method. Now if you see, this particular function is taking a consumer function as an argument. This makes this repeat function a higher order function. Or another example would be this multiply by. Now if you see over here, the return type of this particular function is another function. That again makes this particular function as higher order function. Now let me show you the example. Now here I'm calling repeat method. So it basically have a for loop and I'm running it 3 times, and here I'm passing this consumer function. And here I'm just saying action.accept. Accept is basically method inside your consumer. So if you see over here, consumer is a functional interface which have accept method. Now this particular action should be performed 3 times and the value is basically Alice. So this particular statement should be printed 3 times with the name as Alice. After that, the next example is function returning another function. For example, I will say multiply by and I will pass 5. Now this particular multiply by function will return me another function. So I will just catch this function in a variable, and after that I can just say times 5 dot apply into 3. So it will just print 3 into 5. And function is again a functional interface which have apply method, which I am just calling it over here. Now if I run this code, then you will see that the respective output is printed on the console.